Four sparrows dance in the sky above a lush, green meadow, their wings catching the sunlight. They descend gracefully to a sparkling stream, sharing a feast with contented chirps. High above, a hawk circles, yet hesitates, sensing the unbreakable unity of the sparrows below. In the wide meadow, sparrows engage in a fierce dispute over grains. Amidst the turmoil, Anna, followed by Bert, flies away in a huff as Cecilia and David continue their heated argument. From the shadows, a sly fox watches with a knowing smile as it creeps closer. Anna stands isolated in the expansive meadow, the tall grass whispering around her. A fox emerges from the tree line, capturing Anna's attention. Anna pleads, "Please, spare me. I won't bother my friends again." The fox swiftly pounces, swallowing Anna whole. Bert cries out, "Help! Someone, help me!"